Mommy, Logan. That's my Nana. Nana made the food. I'm making tea. Look, see, look. Hi friends, Mommy, Logan. I'm making tea. Mommy, tea. It's holiday.
We got 2 onions. And we're gonna get those chopped up, right? Turn it.
I'll do it.
All right, Nana has to help you start it. There, now do it.
Some more.
Pour it in here. Yeah, we're gonna put those in there too. Pour it right in there. Right here. Push it in there. All right, that's good for now.
Some more?
Yeah, we'll do those after.
I'll do it.
Yep, you're doing it. Here. Hang on, I gotta put the plate in first. Hang on. Okay.
Those peppers?
1, 2. On.
Wait a minute. Hang on. Okay.
It's around.
You turn it around.
Look. See?
Yeah. They were chopping the peppers.
Get some papers. Oh. And almost. And turn. And I will do it.
Okay.
Okay. I'm done it. Done it.
Okay.
I will put in. Or happy. Or happy. Dog beef.
Tell the camera.
And dog beef. Oh yeah. Oh,
Okay.
I do this first. This one.
Just put it right in there. A little bit more. Okay.
Pepper.
Turn it.
I'm done.
Yep.
I'm gonna do this one. This is
You said that better than some people. 3 tablespoons.
three. Okay. Tomatoes. Wow. What do I do that one first?
Here. Careful.
Tomatoes.
And Nana uses diced tomatoes with chilies, but you don't have to use that. How many cans do we have? 1, 2, 3 cans.
Fava beans. Okay.
Okay.
And chili beans.
Here, we're running out of room. There.
No more. Now your sauce.
Not all of it though. Just about half of it. That's good. Now you can add your chili powder. Chili powder. Okay, now we're going to stir it all together.
Good.
It's hard to do, huh?
I do.
Yeah. You want Nana to start it?
I do. The hot sauce.
Shake it in there. Okay. Thank you. Stir it up. Add the rest of that. Good job.
I'm doing. No, I'm doing.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna do this.
You want to throw those away? Okay. Did you drink the water? Cheers.
Yes. Did you want it? She wants some. Let me do this. I'm gonna see.
Get the microphone on you. You gotta get the microphone on you so everybody can hear you. So you
Hello?
yeah, I'm gonna put it right here.
Hello? Hello?
All right, just like that. Okay. So see, now you gotta look in here.
Hello?
Look right here.
Hello?
Can't see.
Okay.
Good job. You did a good job helping Nana, didn't you?